sustain,
nutrition,
mince pie taste test. We are going to try out, I'm going to say 10.
Yes.
10 different mince pies so we can assess and score them so you can spend your calories wisely. First one is Aldi Black Forest one. It's got chocolate chunks in it and Morello cherry.
Have you tried this one before?
No, never. Oh, fabulous. I'm not blown away by the chocolate. I'm going to score it a 2.5. I wasn't that impressed. It said more than it was going to deliver for me.
I quite liked the cherry chocolate combo, so I'll give it 3.5.
I would prefer, Aldi, if you're watching, the cherry chocolate combo in a normal pastry base, please, next year. Thank you. Sludge in an almond from Aldi. I'm not going to lie, I've already eaten quite a few of these. Oh, yeah. Thoughts?
Not very mince pie for me.
Maybe spit some more out.
Yeah.
Sludge in, 4.5 from me, 4 from him.
Heston's spice mince pies with a lemon twist.
Quite unusual.
A rather large calorie offering,
255.
but promising after last year's.
I'm starting to feel a little bit sick
Delights.
already. We've got very dense texture. Look at that. Look at it! Look at it! Well, I'm now getting a lemon. That is lemony.
I think he's giving me Bell's palsy again.
I'm going 4.5. I'm back at the same as the gin ones, but I could definitely easily eat 6 of those gin ones. I could only eat possibly 2 max of those ones in any one sitting.
I've gone just shy of the 5 there. Something got to go some to beat that, and if there's something beats that, it's a worthy winner.
Wow. But need a brew to cleanse the palate. This is like a Yorkshire sorbet.
Heston's chocolate and sour cherry crumble mince pies.
Oh! It's exploded in my mouth.
More chocolatey than the last ones.
Not very mince pie like.
No.
It's 2.5 from me. It's a 3 from Joe, because I think he's got a small man crush on Heston. I definitely feel a bit sick now.
Only because I've eaten 700 calories worth of mince pies.
We've got a normal butter one, your bog standard mince pie from M&S, iced and frangipane. So this is more of your traditional mince pie from Marks & Spencer's, all butter I believe.
Thankfully, I think my diet today's been a bit low butter so far.
Love it.
No personal pleasure, yeah. To sustain.
Very good, man.
Work it through.
Now I've gone with a 3. Controversial. It was, I don't know. I said 3 because it was a good traditional mince pie.
Could it be because you've had 5 already?
It was still sticking in my teeth, which is a lot of mince pies. It was a good, high quality, above average, normal mince pie.
I've got a lot of time for a well-filled, soft pastry mince pie.
Me?
Might be a one of this.
Ice mince pie. I like if a Bakewell and a mince pie got it on. I'm eating their child. I got it with a 3.2 because it's slightly higher than a normal one, but it is very sweet. But then again, I have also eaten like 8 mince pies so far.
That's why I've given it a 4.5 because I'm a big sweet fan. So a good mince pie. Frangipane, M&S.
How would you describe this topping? It's kind of flan-like. It reminds me of the slow gin.
It's soft. I could feel it when I was digging out this casing.
Not a lot of filling. Not a lot of topping. I like that. The iced one is like the teenager, and this is like the 40-year-old, like me.
Yeah, I'd go with that. A little bit more marzipan kick to it, which I'm never averse to.
I've gone for 3.8 because it had that little sophisticated edge.
I think that was as good as the ice one for me. Super sweet. The marzipan kick. It could have done with a bit more mince meat in it, but I think it's gonna have to go some for me to beat Heston's.
No beef mince.
Really good. So mini Viennese, 90 calories.
Well, thank you. It dissolves in your mouth. I've awarded the Viennese Mini a 2. Did I do 2? Yes, a 2. It's pretty average, you know, in and gone, dissolved in the mouth. Not a lot.
Bit too much.
Not a lot of substance.
Bit too much pastry there for me. It's a bit chewy. So yeah, not brilliant.
Frosted. Do you want to introduce this one? Frosted mince pie. Here we go. Coming in at. Thank you. 92 calories. Thank you. Oh, it feels good. Buttercream, which I've somehow managed to crush with my large banana hands already. The richest till last. Oh, you see, ooh, details. Tiny little stars in. Mmm. It's like a grandpa. Oh, alright, some kind of sugary haze we didn't score last round. Frosted! I scored 2.2 because it's slightly better than whatever the other one was that I had before, Viennese.
Oh yeah, it was better. Yeah.
Just slightly. Joe's gone with 3. Do you want to change that?
No, it's fine.
Sit with 3. And then for the brandy buttercream, I've gone with a 2 again. Pretty bang average. It was a bit like a fancy jam tart.
I quite liked the brandy buttercream one.
If you had to pick a winner,
Easy for me. Heston's.
lemon one.
Yeah, the lemon one by a mile.
Posh. I'm going to stick with Aldi. The sludge in. And whatever you do, kids, don't try this at home.
Don't eat 1,800 calories worth of mince pies.
Don't do it.